It's full field, which means berm and hill is in play.
I'm not going down berm.
If you drop berm, you're not going lower the concrete channel. If you go uphill,
Why? It's not, it won't shoot.
Is it unsafe?
No. Pulled up? Yeah. Pulled
Not
up.
plugged in?
No, it's plugged in. It's just may have done the thing, you know.
Tighten thing?
Yeah.
No, right? I don't think so. Wait, Cameron.
Shoots now.
Is it full water?
Yes.
Yes.
Outside the city. Give me the back.
George?
Well, I can't see behind me. I don't know why you're standing on my ass cheeks.
I'm not. You think you're towards me.
you saw that, right? It was stop shooting. It was shooting like 3-4 times.
I wasn't shooting, just being weird.
Yeah, just being weird. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
If it does that again, just take off the back, unplug the battery.
Okay.
Woo! What?
I can shoot real quick.
Sounds like it's coming loose again.
Oh my gosh, wait.
You're ready! Yeah. Oh. You wanna go right there?
Did it go?
Go! Go! Go!
Oh no! My bad, I didn't mean to!
Yo, Red, you got covered and you got that, right? Huh? Come with me, come with me.
Go around this side, I can hold down bunker a lot better. Dean, go around, push down there. I can cover you. Go outside, push down to the left. Yeah, go, I got you covered.
Good shit, Ray.
Go around this side if you're gonna run in. I can keep you covered on bunker a lot easier.
M240 right there. Right there. Spools. He's tucked in. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Right there, Doc. You good? You think red or red? Alright. You're good here. I'm going to that guy in the red shirt, yeah?
Yep, I'm watching him as best as I can.
Go. Alright, I'm running in 3.
Go, 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 go!
Cameron, do you see anyone? I guess I'm not black.
You get into the trench here, I can keep you covered. Guys, get into the trenches, push right side here. I'll tell you, give me on the count of 3. Why are you shooting our way?
Just a, bit of advice. Don't shoot your teammates.
He's aiming at us.
Is that someone right there walking towards us?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Do you guys think so, Will?
Cameron, left side, right there.
Where?
You're gonna shoot farther than mine, because this guy keeps me left corner.
Where?
See that little shed right there?
Yeah.
Left side next to the bush, the guy.
That's friendly, looks like.
No. Watch. You'll see him come from the other side of that stupid fucking shed.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit him. So I'm moving back to my other window here. How you doing? Don't boot me. I have a tendency for my teammates to jump in front of babies, I swear.
I'd say that, just for the sake of awareness, if there isn't really any other LMD, stay back a little bit. I'm gonna kind of go around to the more hardcore players and just like, hey, this guy's really good. Because I don't want to just get these guys more powerful players to the other team.
Yeah.
It seems fairly even right now. I just kind of want to just give them, don't push up too far on these guys, especially since you've got the 15 foot.
Yeah, I'll try not to push. I won't push up too much on him. I'll probably be sitting back here most of the match until we get up to that, until we push the next flag, and then we'll probably go set those spools right there.
Okay.
I'm not going to spawn camp them. I'm not like that. That'd be too brutal if I decided to spawn camp, you know?
That's the reason to stop it from getting up. We need to get these guys in the box out.
Which box?
Top.
I can't hit anything top right. I'm stuck right here for now. Welcome back.
Oh, looks like Dean got out.
Yeah, maybe.
So leave me wrap.
Wait, so Cameron, you don't want to camp with whatever during that time?
Huh?
Hey, wait a minute. I think this guy looked at this.
That's a friendly.
He dropped 5 at once. Huh?
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the rules for the windows then?
I have to break the window by 50%. If you guys see someone, just let me know. I'm kind of just chilling here for now.
Yeah, I see nobody.
Yeah, I'm hitting.
Oh, there's a guy walking right there running.
I can't hit him.
Yeah, I mean, I could.
Where are you going? We're gonna play.
Where's
Duke?
If you guys need ammo, I got .32s.
There's a dude in the fucking spool right there.
Yeah, let me reload, yeah. Just take what's inside the...
I haven't been hit all game.
Copy, guys?
I don't want to get it too far.
We have to get Goat Village here, though.
Whoa, what the fuck are you shooting at?
Oh, you want to shoot one of your friends in the back?
Look at Steve, yeah, look at Steve.
I can almost hit Goat Village from here.
No, you're going pretty far.
Yeah. They got one guy push you right!
Look at Steve.
Oh, they can see me. There's a reason why they don't push into my area of conflict anymore.
Yeah, look. Oh, it's all those little kids. It's all those little kids. Right
I know.
Oh, it's shooting. Yeah, there's a little army dude. I don't think I can reach that far.
We're back here.
Hey guys, just to remind you, they have the Twitch network. If you're going to reach let them tap the spawn and get back in.
They're all so far left, Cameron.
Should we move left to go try to hold it?
I honestly think we should.
Okay, let's go.
There's way too many.
Let's go. Keep me covered. I'm gonna have to make a run here. Because they're gonna want to get me out. Where are they?
It appears that Ben team has the Goatville flagpole.
Oh, there's Steve.
As such, if there's no bands over there, Goatville flagpole is Ben team's respawn.
Hey, can you check Berm? Are they pushing down Berm?
One sec. I'm gonna go run over to Steve. You got me?
You go to that pole. You see that pole sticking up? You can try to push there. I don't know where they are though.
No, Steve's right behind us. He's at the bus. I'm gonna go to the bus.
Okay, go ahead. Are they pushing down Berm?
You shooting now?
Someone check Berm here. I'll keep you covered here if you...
Dean went there.
Dean went down there?
Go down there?
Yeah, you can.
What the fuck?
If you guys want to push, I'll keep you guys covered.
Push Berm. You go over there.
If you guys want to push down, I'll keep you guys covered here.
Yeah, but we're gonna run through a fuck ton of it.
Yeah, of course, but that's how we're gonna capture it.
Yeah. Let's get it. We're going that way? We're going that way?
Yeah, don't go past the concrete channel.
You just come back up on the gate?
Yeah, I did.
It's a good one.
Then readjust it. Ace,
Yeah.
push forward inside these bushes here.
Right there.
So what you're gonna do is you're running that channel, slide into it. I'll keep you covered.
You what? Sure?
Yeah,
Alright, I'm gonna go in that channel right there.
yeah,
Ready?
yeah, go. What's wrong?
Sometimes they shoot, sometimes it doesn't.
Then you need to wind the bottom of the mag. Hold it up vertical and just wind it, just like that.
Forward. Got it.
Ace! Keep going! There's a box here about 10 o'clock. Move up and 10 o'clock. There's a box. You can push to it. Still trench, right?
Is the trench contested? Is trench work contested?
I was actually over there.
Trench flagpole. No blind firing! And your weapon! Good hit!
Guys down in T-building! T-building's down!
I'm actually fairly surprised about that. Or berm, for that matter.
Stop giving away our tech! Damn it! I'll pay you off! Damn it!
There is 19 minutes left in this game. 19 minutes left in this game.
I like how you're using the dandelions as fucking cover.
I think they make me look pretty. I don't think they want to shoot me if I stay there.
Because he was actually
Spectator sport, dog. You gotta let people when you're doing it. Over here now, yeah, buddy.
If there wasn't a spider on my glasses, that'd be amazing.
Throwing a bush does not count as throwing a grenade.
And that's why you put those protectors in front of them.
No, it was shot out from behind my friendly. The protector's still fine.
Jesus. That's a golden BB shot. What's this?
Where are they? Hit!
Careful on your footing. Like I just said, careful on your footing.
They really want to give me a more advantageous position. What's wrong?
Oh, I'm just super hot in this.
You won't.
Is this mag empty?
Sounds like it. I'm out. I'm just making sure you're okay. No, I'm not out. I'm just dead. But mag's working now, though?
Yeah.
I don't know why they'd want to kill me and send me here. Oh. What are we looking like? What are we looking like here?
I don't even see them.
We gotta get Goat Village here, by the way. Where are they?
Oh, that's behind these. I'm just sad.
Jesus, they really want to make me murder my arms.
You're right, this doesn't hurt that bad.
No, it doesn't. My arms hurt.
It's gonna be way worse. I might go a layer left next round.
Yeah. I'm gonna go push back to Goat Village here. Now, if they really want to put me back into the trench, I'm fine with that too. But I don't recommend it, because I'm walking out. Come on, Dean. Dean! How you want to push Goat Village?
Dude, I've been running Burn, it's been doing pretty good.
Well, I want to do more. I was wondering if we could do more frontal assault.
I'll push back into that corner. We got guys all the way up there, over by the boost pool, see them?
Yeah.
And then...
They're pretty much
honestly,
done.
You want to run hill?
No.
Yeah, we're trying to take back Burn right now, but we got...
Disgusting plan here. We need to go.
Math came off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so he's tied it back on.
Okay. We need to go get Goat Village here, though.
Alright, where do you want to go?
Just push straight through the bushes, really. I mean, look where they all are. They aren't even moving anymore.
Over there in the hills.
Oh, we got him.
Well, Ref told me not to push. I was told not to push too much.
My, oh.
Yeah. Because I can just sit there and shoot their entire spawn. Well, we can push Goat Village here, and I'll just hold them back at Goat Village. Get me in that far building there, and we win the game.
That is true. Alright, you got a pick?
Yeah. Let's get going, boys.
Alright, so you want to go rest the container far right?
We're gonna push the T building, and then we're gonna get our team to get us pushed up to that building on the L building on the end.
Alright, do you want to go berm side or just through the bushes?
No, we're just gonna go.
A lot of guys through there. Let's just go.
Let's just straight through bushes. Ugh. What? You have better range than me.
No bands have taken the Ghostville flagpole. That is their respawn.
Look at it.
Yeah, I know. I'm not shooting at the little kid. Good thing. I'm loaded! Don't shoot me. Consider your options. Let me get it behind you. I can't see shit when you do that.
Shoot the BB. It's like it's
broken.
ED.
Hey, no, please. I'm not trying to do right now.
What?
It's like an old man that can't piss.
What are you talking about?
What? Well, of course now that you touched it. What? It was okay. It was
Yeah,
really
wait,
shooting
what?
every shot. Like, pull the mag out maybe a little bit.
No,
Yeah. See? What the?
You're double feeding. Yeah, you need a new mag release. It's not going in far enough. Is my guess.
Yeah, I think it's just a mag release.
Yep, that's it. Look, watch this. Watch this. Watch.
It worked so good before.
Watch.
Now it don't.
See how it like slightly moves up? It's not holding the mag in all the way.
You know who loves my gun?
Who?
The ref.
Yeah, I know.
They were
Dude.
messing around in the last like 30 seconds just shooting random people.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, here, use mine. Because they got me with it.
Yeah.
And he's like, oh, hello.
Yeah.
It still shoots super accurate, even though it's on the lower FPS.
Yeah.
Hey, so let's do the math. Oh, it feels so weird. It makes your ears ring. How many people did you
Dude,
get out?
Cameron, when I came backside berm, I got a lot of kills.
I think Steve's leading right now. Do you want to survive?
Should I shoot Ace in the back?
No, please don't.
Why not?
I'm not trying to get shot right now.
I said black Ace.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, actually, I'll do it.
No, I'll do it.
Okay, you can do that. I just want to see if I can actually. He gets mad.
I'll do it to Dean here too. Through the car window. Come on, Dean. Come on. Where is he? I think you did too. I'll probably just gonna run my M4 for the rest of the day though. Dude, usually I can run this thing all day, but I've been playing in like a month or two, so I'm so out of fucking shape right now. What?
Yeah, it's satisfying. There's been a lot of bombs out here today. There was this one kid camping behind a container that I was getting so mad at.
Why?
Because he kept on just peeking every second and staying there, his little camper. I rushed all the way to the front. Where were you at?
Back. They told me to stay back.
Come on.
You'll see it in the video when I post it. Alright.
Funny clip.
Is there a guy for red shirt over there? Thank you. Respectable man.
I need my glove.
We definitely did not shoot him.
Cameron, do you have my glove?
Why do you need your glove?
My condom.
Oh. You're screwed.
It's okay.
We'll see if they allow it. We'll just say we'll say your friend had it and he took it.
They made us wait.
What?
They made us wait with the glove. So we gotta go buy one.
We have one. His brother just took it from him.
There it is. This works though.
Just walk with the other side facing them. Tell them your brother took it and he ran. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know we are missing some footage there for when we rushed into Goat Village after the planning. Don't know what happened there, if that I'll have to see. But hope you enjoyed the birthday party. Hope you got to see yourself in there and enjoy the video and enjoy the day out.